Good morning, everybody. This is an instructional video on how to properly make a pot of coffee. And currently I'm holding the camera, but the video is now about to be shot by my beautiful, lovely assistant slash wife, Christina. Say hi, Christina.
Hi, Christina.
So I'm going to hand the camera over to her because it's such a technical operation that I must have both hands free in order to do it. So here you go. The Mr. Coffee maker. Open the lid. Take out the old grounds. Throw them away. Get a new clean filter. Put it in the bucket. Take the, oh, no free advertisement here. Take the 100% Colombian coffee and
Flicked off the camera and stuff.
Open the lid and listen. Oh, no vacuum tight seal. Uh-oh. Now, myself, I just use a tablespoon for a scoop, okay? And I use, for a full pot, I use 3 heaping tablespoons. 2 and 3. 3. Turn the little water spout over. Take the pot. Fill it up with 10 cups of cold water. Put that down. Pour the water into the back of the coffee pot, into the water reservoir. Put the pot back in, close the lid, and turn it on. And in 5 minutes, you will have a nice, piping, steaming hot pot of coffee. This has been your instruction video of how to properly make a pot of coffee. Enjoy!
Folgers in your cup, baby.